Officials at a long-term care facility in Florence are asking all residents to stay inside their apartments after a major COVID outbreak left at least 25 people infected. Thank you for joining us. I'm Matt Templeman.
And I'm Renee McCullough. KEZI 9 News reporter Mike Cerullo is live tonight with more on this outbreak and also how it's affecting those who have loved ones at the Spruce Point Assisted Living and Memory Care. Mike?
That's right, Matt and Renee. And for relatives with loved ones on the brink of death, it's extremely important to see and be with them in their final moments. And tonight we're hearing from one woman who's devastated she wasn't allowed inside the walls of Spruce Point to visit her uncle, who sadly passed away this morning.
End-of-life people that are on hospice, you're supposed to be able to go in and see them no matter what.
Donna Weiser says she and her cousin Donnie both tried to see her uncle at Spruce Point Saturday, but were forced to meet outside because of an active COVID-19 outbreak.
We knew he couldn't go out and sit down that long, and Donnie said the same thing. He sat out there with him, but he got tired and all that.
The facility was forced to halt visitations after 19 residents and 6 staff members tested positive for the virus. So Weiser says she was shocked when another relative was allowed inside the building to see her uncle.
My cousin could go in and out whenever she wanted to because she got tested while she was in there and she tested negative, so she could go in and out.
But according to the Oregon Department of Human Services, all friends and family members are allowed to visit the facility during end-of-life stages. Regardless, this confusion could have been avoided if the outbreak never happened. Lane County Public Health says it's likely the virus got into the facility through an unvaccinated staff member. Officials say only 5% of workers there have gotten the shot. Spruce Point says that number is closer to 36%. Either way, it's far below the state's average for similar facilities.
These people have had a bad year all last year because their relatives couldn't come in and see them. It's hard on these people, and everybody should get vaccinated. What's the problem?
Spruce Point says it's encouraging its staff to get the shot, but Oregon law says employers cannot mandate vaccines for healthcare workers, who make up a significant portion of the facility's staff. Now, the Oregon Health Authority is planning to report vaccination rates by facility to the public in the future, but it's unclear at this time exactly how long that process will take. Reporting live in the studio, Mike Cerullo, KEZI 9 News.